today is going to be a makeup tutorial, and it's a very special video because it is a collab. Ooh, I can't talk. Because it is a collab with my good friend Dee, or the Primal Beauty Queen. I will link her channel down below. You need to go check her out and subscribe like right now. Pause this video, head on over there, subscribe, check out some of her videos, and then you can come back, okay? So go do that right now. I'll sit here and wait for you guys. So I'm waiting. Go check her out. You can pause me. I won't be offended. Alright, so now that you've done that, hopefully, we're just going to get into this video. Basically, I wanted to do a summer eye look that had like a pop of color. So this is something that I've been doing a little bit lately. I've just been experimenting with pops of color, and originally I was going to do a pop of color like on my lower lash line, but then I decided why not do one like a different colored eyeliner with it, so on top. So that's what I did. I was like, why not? So basically this is like a neutral looking eye, but then it has like a pop of color for my eyeliner. So I wanted to show you guys that and show you the products that I used to do that. So that is going to be that. And I actually filmed this like a week ago, but I had to redo the intro and the outro, so yeah, so it might look a little bit different than this because I did actually go back and tightline my upper waterline, or my tightliner, whatever you call that stupid thing, with black to make my lashes look a little bit fuller. I can't talk. I don't know why. But I think everything else is pretty much the same. So if you want to see how I got this little look here, just keep watching. So I'm starting out with my Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm just going to prime my eyes for the eyeshadows. Then I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Naked Basics palette and using the color Walk of Shame. I'm going to be taking a brush and just applying it all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to be taking the Naked 2 color with another brush and just putting this in my crease. Just kind of doing like the windshield wiper motions and all. And next I will be taking this color Faint, which is just a dark brown color. And with a pencil type brush, I'm going to be applying that on like my outer V and just kind of like darkening it up a little bit, but without like going overboard and making it look really, really dark. So I'm just kind of giving my eyes some dimension, I guess is what I would say. Next I'm going to be taking the color Foxy, and I'm going to be using this as my highlight color. So I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Forgive my eyebrows, they need to be threaded soon. Then I'm going to be going back in with Walk of Shame, and I'm just going to be blending everything together. I felt like this was the perfect color to do that because it kind of matched my skin tone. And then I'm going to be using the color Venus. I'm just going to be putting this on my finger and applying it in my inner corner of my eye just to brighten it up. Now comes the fun part, the pop of color. I chose the NYX eyeliner in color Azure, I think is how you say it. It's just this pretty blue color, and I'm going to be applying that just like I would apply my normal eyeliner. So here I am just, you know, putting it on my eyelid and everything. So yeah, I just really like this color, and I felt like it really did a nice job of just making my eyes pop. I got a lot of compliments the day that I wore this because everybody liked that pop of color. Now I'm just going to be curling my eyelashes with my eyelash curler. It's like Revlon, and just curling away, you know, whatever. Now I'm going to be using my Revlon Lash Potion. I've been enjoying this mascara a lot, and I'm just using it on both my upper lashes and my lower lashes, which you will see in just a second. And I just really like this mascara. I think it's really good. Alright guys, so that is how I got this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think if you want me to do more tutorials now that I'm kind of figuring out my camera, because I do have other ideas for summer tutorials and stuff like that. I'm trying to experiment with lots of colors. So if you guys want to see more, just like this video and leave it in the comments, like if you want to see more eye tutorials and all that, or just like any tutorials, hair tutorials, whatever. So yeah, and I'm gonna link Dee's video right like here. She did the hair and I believe the outfit for this like summer pop of color, so you guys should go check that out. Like I said, I'm going to link it right here. I'm also going to link it in the information down below, so you guys can go check that out and check out her channel and subscribe because she's amazing and wonderful, and you guys need to go check her videos out. She's amazing. I love watching her videos. my gosh, guys. Like, go check her out right now. If you didn't do that at the beginning of this video, you need to go do that now. So go do it. Yeah, so that is going to be it for this video. I will leave all of my information down below. I did get an Instagram, so you can start following me there. Twitter, vlog channel, all that will be linked down below. And I guess I will see you guys in my next Summer Loving June, which I'm going to go film right now. So I will see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.